Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper pan in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper pan. There are a couple of crisper pans used in this refrigerator. They could be used for storing fruits and vegetables. If the crisper pan won't easily glide in and out, check it and replace it if it's broken. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. We're going to pull out this crisper pan, and then we're going to lift it up and we can remove it completely. This is the old crisper pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the crisper pan, we're going to slide it onto the rails, lift up the front end, and then we can push it in. Now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.